Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Audi TT. Now of course this is a 45 TFSI coupe and you do get these brilliant LED headlights, daytime running lights. You then get these freshly refurbished diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get on these 18-inch alloys. Coming around to the rear, we've also got your rear parking sensors, LED tail lights again. We've got plenty of room inside the tailgate, including your 50-50 split rear folding seats, which do fold flat with the boot floor. Then walking out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Inside the car now, as you can see, you've got a little toggle here just to pull the seat forward. You've then got your rear bench just here, making this a 4-seater. Inside, we then have your electric handbrake with auto hold. Your media, navigation and telephone controls are in the middle just here behind the Tronic gearbox. Your volume and track select are just here as well. You get your drive select, stop start off, traction off, and then spoiler raise, so you can of course lift the spoiler up if you fancy having a little bit of a play. Your air conditioning controls are within the vents here. As you can see, you've got your blow, you've got your temperature, and then you've also got the direction of which you want it to go in. You've got recirculation and heated rear windscreen just here. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your onboard computer controls on the left. Over to the right, you have your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, navigation audio, and then your track select with volume just here. Cruise control is below the indicator stalk. And then as you can see, this TT has done 25,877 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Audi TT, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.